I'll soon explain more about Toyota 2JZ GTE engine and guide you through an engaging and informative experience. Please hold on for a moment while everything is being prepared. It might take just a few seconds to set up. Dismantling, diagnosing, and rectifying defects in vehicles, especially electric vehicles, requires a systematic approach that prioritizes safety, accuracy, and technical knowledge. The process begins with thorough preparation, including disconnecting high-voltage systems and using personal protective equipment to prevent electrical hazards. Next, technicians follow detailed vehicle manuals to methodically disassemble components, ensuring that fasteners and parts are organized for efficient reassembly. Systematic disassembly is essential for maintaining order and efficiency. Diagnostic tools, such as digital multimeters and relay testers, are essential for identifying electrical faults, allowing for precise measurement of voltage, continuity, and relay function. Interpreting wiring diagrams and system schematics helps pinpoint issues within complex electrical networks. Once faults are identified, technicians replace or repair defective parts, secure connectors, and apply thread locking compounds to maintain mechanical integrity. Welcome to the engagement phase. This phase helps you connect with the lesson topic through suggested questions, or you can ask any questions of your own to explore the subject further.
What are the key safety protocols to follow when diagnosing vehicle defects?
Key safety protocols include 1. Disconnecting high-voltage batteries to prevent electrical shock. 2. Using insulated tools and gloves to ensure safety while working. 3. Following lockout/tagout practices to prevent accidental activation of the vehicle. Systems. Welcome to the assessment phase. Choose from 3 options: a multiple-choice quiz, adaptive questions, or a memory challenge using hints and past lesson content. Start quiz challenge. The timer begins when you press start. What is the first step in diagnosing a vehicle's electrical issue? The Socratic assessment starts with an easy question and adapts in difficulty based on your answers, creating a personalized learning experience. Let's begin with an easy question about vehicle defect resolution. What is the primary purpose of using insulated gloves when working with electric vehicles?
Protect against electric shock and prevent injury from high voltage components.
Great job. That's correct. Insulated gloves are used to protect against electric shock and prevent injury from high voltage components. Now, let's move on to a more intermediate question. Can you explain the role of a digital multimeter in diagnosing vehicle electrical faults? Test your memory by answering questions and earning points based on your performance. This involves maintaining records and ensuring all repair processes adhere to industry standards and regulations. This term refers to the organized process of taking apart a vehicle to ensure all components are removed efficiently and without damage. Welcome. Today, we'll dismantle, diagnose, and rectify faults in this electric vehicle. Follow each step closely. Precision is key to safety and success. Let's get started. You are tasked with dismantling an electric vehicle. Key components to diagnose and rectify electrical faults. The reliability and safety of the vehicle depend on your precision and adherence to procedure. A single misstep could lead to undetected faults, safety hazards, or costly downtime. Your expertise will ensure the vehicle is restored to optimal condition, ready for safe operation. You stand before the electric vehicle. Tools ready. The vehicle is powered down, but high voltage components are present. Safety protocols must be observed before any work begins. What should you do first to ensure a safe working environment before dismantling any components? Safety protocols should be followed to ensure safety.
Disconnect the high voltage battery and verify zero voltage using proper testing equipment.
That's correct. Disconnecting the high voltage battery and wearing protective gloves prevents accidental electric shock and ensures a safe environment for further work. With the high voltage battery safely disconnected, you can now proceed to dismantle components without risk of electric shock. This is your overview chart and your score is final score, 11%. Click on Summary or Details Report for more information. Here's a summary of how you've been doing. The user needs to improve significantly in all areas, especially in engagement, knowledge retention, critical thinking, and knowledge simulator. Focus on being more attentive during lectures and actively participating in engagement activities to enhance overall learning and performance. Here is your detailed report. 1. Focus and attention, scored 820. The user showed some attentiveness but needs to improve in following along with the lecture and annotations. Suggestion: pay closer attention to the lecture and actively follow the avatar's guidance to improve understanding.